Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for a Loom account. Now, here are the steps to sign up for a Loom account. The first thing you need to do is, if you're on your computer, the first thing to do is to open your browser and go to loom.com. All right, if you've already downloaded the Loom desktop app, you can just open it directly. I have this desktop app, so I can just go ahead and click on that and then it just opens directly. Then the next thing to do on the Loom website, once you get on the Loom website, I have already created an account here. So once I get to the Loom website, I'm not going to see an option to sign in. But then once you click on loom.com and takes you to the website, just go ahead and click the Get Loom for Free button located at the top right corner of the home page. All right, then if you are so let's say you are using, just go to home. So if you're using the Loom desktop app, after launching the application, it will prompt you to either sign in or sign up. So go ahead and click on sign up to create a new account. Now, I'd like you to know that Loom offers multiple options for creating an account. Number one, you can sign up with Google. So click continue with Google if you prefer using your Google account. The next step is to sign up with Slack. So choose if you want to sign up using a Slack account. And you can also sign up with Apple. You can also sign up by using your Apple ID. And you can sign up with email if you want to use an email and password. All right. So just go ahead and click on continue with email and you're good to go. So if you choose Google, Slack, or Apple, you'll be directed to log in through their respective services. So simply follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Loom to access your account. It's pretty much easy. Then if you choose email, enter your email address and click next. Loom will ask you to create a password, and after entering it, click next. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Loom. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Now, once you've completed the sign-up process, Loom may ask you a few optional questions, such as what you intend to use the app for and your role. So just fill in the information, or you can just skip the step. The last step, you can skip the last step of inviting team members. So after answering the question or skipping them, you'll be directed to the Loom dashboard, which is pretty much like this, and your account will be ready to use. Now that your Loom account is ready or it is set up, you can start recording videos and using other Loom features. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.